This guide shows how to add and configure Deals attributes and custom fields, assign them to a Deals attribute set, and verify them while creating a Deals. Navigate to dspeedup.in. From the dashboard, click System. In the System menu, click on Deals Attribute. Click on Deals Attribute. Click Add Attribute to create a new Deals field. Choose Required Attribute Type for the new field, and enter Front-End Label. Enable Used in Site by selecting Yes so the field appears in the application. Enable the required options by selecting Yes wherever applicable. Open Front-End Properties and enable the necessary front-end options. Click on Yes to display filter. Click on Yes to display additional information. Open Custom Properties and enable the required custom settings. Click on Yes in Custom Field 1. Click on Yes in Custom Field 10. Click Save to store the newly created lead attribute. To assign attribute to lead attribute set, navigate back to System. Click on Lead Assign. Click the More Options 3 dots icon and select Edit. Select Edit. Click Add to include the newly created attribute in the set. Select the required label and click OK to confirm the selection. Click Save to apply the changes to the attribute set. Go to the Deals section from the main menu. Click Add Deals to create a new lead. Verify that the new field, for example, Deals Notes, is visible in the Deals form.